In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print single-sided pages in Microsoft Word. If you've ever printed a document and discovered that pages ended up on both sides of the paper, this walkthrough will help you make sure every page lands on its own sheet. Printing single-sided is especially useful for forms, handouts, or anything you plan to annotate, scan, or distribute individually. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word. Make sure it's the correct version you want to print. Check that your edits are saved and the pages look right in the document window. When you're ready, go to the File tab at the top left and choose Print. This takes you to Word's printing interface, where you can see a preview on the right and key settings on the left. In the Settings section, look for the option that controls duplex printing. Depending on your setup, you'll see something like Print One-Sided or Print on Both Sides. If you already see Print One-Sided, you're set. If it shows Print on Both Sides, click the drop-down and switch it to Print One-Sided. This tells Word to send your pages to the printer so that each one is printed on a separate sheet, with nothing on the back. Before you print, glance at the preview to make sure margins, page breaks, and orientation look correct. If you only need part of the document, adjust the page range in the same area and confirm the number of copies so you don't print more than you intended. These checks won't change the single-sided setting, but they'll help you avoid mistakes. Now, click Print to begin. The printer should produce one page per sheet with blank backs. If your device previously defaulted to double-sided, this change overrides that behavior for this job. A few quick tips if something doesn't look right. If you can't find the single-sided option, your printer might not support automatic double-sided printing, in which case Word may already default to printing one-sided. On some systems, you might see a two-sided checkbox instead. Make sure it's unchecked. If your organization enforces duplex printing, there could be a printer-level setting that overrides Word, so you may need to confirm the preference in the printer's properties or speak with your administrator. Also, ensure you're selecting the correct physical printer rather than a PDF or virtual device, which can have different defaults. That's it. By choosing Print One-Sided in Word's print settings and confirming your preview, you'll reliably get single-sided pages every time.